Today's video is perfect for you if you're feeling down, so unmotivated, or if you're probably bored or something. I'ma do a one-day makeover-ish to perk up my stressful week. So, mag-umpisa ako with a quick workout, and Zai, I'm telling you, lalo kang mapapagod pag hindi ka kikilos or magpapawis. And it doesn't have to be cardio, okay? You can do weight trainings. Pag wala kang dumbbells, you can use kahit yung mga water bottles. Or kung ayaw mo ng cardio or weightlifting, you can do active recovery workout. Pwede rin yun. Basta move, do something, magpapawis ka. It will help you clear your mind, I swear. Syempre, after a sweat sesh, I'm gonna have a really nice bath. Yung current body products reveal next time na. Pero for hair care, I'm using yung Fresh Hair Lab products, lalo na yung for hair fall control. Pero I think I'm going to change the variant tomorrow. Next thing we're gonna do is put on some makeup, of course. Syempre, let's not forget the sunscreen. I'm using the one from BLK Cosmetics. Not my favorite, pero inuubos ko na lang kasi sayang. Die. For brows, I'm using yung eyebrow pencil from Sassy Lady. Nothing too special, pero very easy to use. Then, you cannot have enough sun protection. I'm also putting another layer. This time, it's from Hiii Glow Boost. I love kasi the glow effect nitong Hiii Glow Boost Sun Cream. And then for my base, I'm just going to mix up yung sun cream with a Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Concealer. One of my favorite combos, you guys, for everyday look. Yung Get Ready With Me Concealer and whatever moisturizer or sun cream. Current favorite blush, Serum Blush by Squad Cosmetics. Meron akong review nito, linked down below. Super nice, super blendable, and hindi siya overly pigmented, alam mo yun? And then I'm also gonna add glow to my already glowy skin. Gamit ko yung Serum Blush, pero yung highlighter ng Squad Cosmetics as well. For my eyes, I'm going to use yung Vice Cosmetics and Klutz Contour Kit. I'm aiming for a sultry pero subtle look lang. And then I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner. It won't hurt, yeah? Then I'ma smudge that eyeliner for more depth dun sa eyes ko. And then of course, generous coating of mascara. I'm gonna do a subtle contour with my favorite Ara Colors Contour Duo as per usual. At dahil ayoko mag-set ng makeup with a powder, I'm going to rely on a makeup setting spray to keep everything in place. And then for lips, I'm going to mix yung Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Multi-Use Tint in Mixed Berries for bottom lip, and then Okinawa for the upper lip. And ta-da! Makeup done! Next thing you want to do to lift yourself up is to wear a really cute outfit. And let me show you a quick haul I did sa Shopee, guys. Specifically sa Lovito clothing na akala ko was just for, you know, small, medium-sized people. But guess what? They have sizes for extra large girlies like moi. Ako kasi I wear large to double XL clothing, so I'm so happy meron silang sizes for curvier or, you know, pleasantly plump people. There are items na merong hanggang 3XL, pero depends on the style and on the stocks. And I'm really in love with all the pieces I got. And all of the tops I can wear with different bottoms, jeans, skirts, shorts, and my favorite, black leggings. Love the quality and very affordable, you guys. And good news, guys! This is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to give you a 22% discount at walang minimum order. Just type my code LOVEYMISSB sa shop or store voucher. Hindi sa Shopee voucher tab ha, magkaiba yon. So again, doon sa shop or doon sa store voucher. I'm going to link down everything you need, including yung mga items na nabili ko down below. So gotta na sa description box. Again, my code is LOVEYMISSB. 22% yan, day! Anyway, after picking my outfit, we're going to the salon. So, I went to one of my favorites, RME Salon sa Galicia St, España. Address sa description box. Thank you very much. So, I wanted to change my hair color kasi I'm bored na with my current hair color. So, while they're doing my hair, I got me a mani and foot spa session. I love yung foot spa nila kasi they have this jelly treatment na it's really going to make your skin softer. So, mas madaling tanggalin yung mga kalyo-kalyo and everything. And syempre, get yourself na rin a yummy drink while relaxing. So, I ordered a mocha frap from Baba Thai Tea. Diyan lang din yun sa may dapitan malapit sa RME Salon. Ang sarap. So, let's take a look at the before of my hair. And then the after. Shocking, I know. Pero that's not the final color. Syempre, mag-fade pa yan to the shade of pink that I like. Hey there guys! I know my hair is shocking, right? But don't worry because I'm not worried kasi mag-fade pa yan. It's going to turn into a light blonde-ish pink. But anyways, the point of this video guys is lalo na dun sa mga stress dyan sa trabaho or like you feel so unmotivated, you have so many things to do and yet you don't know which one to do first. I suggest take a day off. Try to pamper yourself. Try to change some things sa sarili mo because sometimes everyday routine, lalo na yung mga work from home, is really draining. I hope I was able to give you an idea on how to lift your spirit up kahit man lang for a day. By the way, I'm wearing a Lovito shirt and don't forget my code LOVINGMISSB. Again, huwag niyong ilalagay sa Shopee voucher tab. Dun kayo sa store voucher tab, okay? Store or shop, not Shopee. Voucher tab. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you for giving me your time. Next video natin, umati ka bong wear test. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!